Hey, what's up, guys? This is again Showtime with MZ back with another video on iOS tutorials. And in today's one, I will be teaching you how to reset your home screen layout on iPhone in 2022. This is my annual video that I do every single year practically, so that you can, of course, learn how to do this year as well. So let's first of all talk about what this feature will do. So this I must make it clear so that there are no questions about this whatsoever. This will not reset any of your data, just home screen layout. It will not delete any applications, and it will not delete anything from your iPhone. It will just rearrange the applications on your iPhone. Just reset home screen layout of apps, not the apps themselves. No data in the apps or in the iPhone will be lost. Nothing will be lost. So nothing will be erased or anything, just reset home screen layout. So also it will affect widgets as well. So if you have these widgets such as I do, like batteries and fitness and stuff like that, it will also be reset, and you will not have all of them on your screen. So basically, just as the newest version of the iOS, which is in this case iOS 16, comes with this home screen layout, that home screen layout will be on your iPhone after, of course, performing all the things necessary to get that home screen layout reset. Just exactly what I will teach you in this video. So yeah, let's just don't waste a lot of time. I want you to subscribe, or of course click like, and comment down below some of the video suggestions that you might have. And now let's begin. So first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to settings, and so then you are gonna go to general and scroll all the way down until you see transfer or reset iPhone right here. You're gonna tap on this, and now be careful. You shall not tap on erase all contents and settings, which is at the lower part of this screen. Absolutely do not touch that option. Just go ahead and tap reset, which is the first option that you get. And then here are different settings or different options that you can reset, and make sure that you don't mistakenly tap on one of these options that you don't want to be reset, because some of them might delete your data, such as, for example, settings, network settings, keyboard dictionary, location and privacy, and more. So what you want to do is that you tap on the fourth option, which is reset home screen layout, as you can see right over here. And when you tap on this button, just as I do right here, it will ask you, this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults, which is exactly what you want. It will reset your home screen layout to the layout of apps and arrangement of apps that was when you first purchased this iPhone, or when you first downloaded this iOS, like the default settings of these home screen layout. And so you're gonna just simply go on ahead and tap reset home screen. And at first glance, it might seem that nothing has been reset for now, but actually that is not true. If you're gonna go out of here, but be very careful, of course, not to tap erase all content and settings. So you're gonna get out of here and then get out of settings, and as you can see, this is how my iPhone has been reset in here. So all the applications have now been reset. Not the applications themselves, of course, but the arrangement of these applications have now been reset. So as you can see right over here, here are some allow widgets from maps to use your location. I will just simply tap allow. This also might be something new about the widget settings that might also have been reset, but I'm not sure about that. And this is, yes, brand new iOS 16 that I have, so it works on iOS 16 version as well. So that's actually very good. Now, another thing that I want to say is that, as you can see, here are the widgets, the smart stack, and the widgets as well as the applications ordered in the factory defaults arrangement. But another thing that I would like you to understand is that for example, these applications in this utilities folder all comes from while you download this iOS 16. This is like the default version, and even the applications that you might have had in your app library are now in here. All the apps that you have on your iPhone are currently on this screen, so on the home screen, not on the app library. Everything goes back to your home screen. And even if you take a look at the applications, so first page is of course these defaults that we have on your iPhone, the home screen layout. Second page, part of it is also as Apple implements the arrangement of these applications when you first buy this iPhone or with the iOS 16, up until this utilities folder. But after that, starting from aging booth, as you can see right over here, all of these applications are the ones that you have downloaded on your iPhone, of course, naturally, and they are arranged in the alphabetical order. So as you can see, A, which is aging booth, AliExpress, Amazon, Among Us, and then we have B, such as Bird, BitLife, Blend, then C, which is Clash Royale, Classroom, Cleaner, Countless, and much more. So as you can see, everything is now sorted in the alphabetical order, including the applications that you have on your iPhone currently. All of them are currently in here. They have been transferred to this iPhone home screen. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you reset your iPhone home screen layout to the factory defaults. Again, I must say that this does not delete anything on your iPhone. It just resets the home screen layout. The arrangement of apps becomes as it was when you first bought this iPhone, or as the newest version of the iOS comes, that home screen layout is in your iPhone currently. So it does not delete anything, it does not erase any content and settings. It has nothing to do with deleting, erasing, or like getting rid of some data. It just rearranges the applications. This might be a great way if you have lost some applications in your app library and you want to get them back to your iPhone and you don't know where to find them. Or maybe it also be a very good thing if you want to rearrange your applications and you just don't know how to start and you want to start from the scratch. That's also a great idea to use this setting. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click like and of course subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.